Is it unsafe?
Yes, it's unsafe. So anybody try to be, anybody try to come in our house, anybody try to even look in our house, you guys gonna get a bunch of shells, not made out of paint, but out of metal. And trust me, it's not gonna. Say what's up, everybody.
Carry him with something.
Say what's up.
Come, Nathan.
Okay, we're gonna go do this.
Hi. We're gonna do the shoot contest.
Alright, guys. Target practice. We got the gun right here. Tippman.
Got this, bro.
Elite. Stormer Elite. And we're gonna practice shooting this boogie board right here. And I got some more balls right here. But this is gonna be our tester.
Are you
And
gonna
we got
shoot
some inside the
diligence
hopper already.
why you have to shoot diligence one?
Not sure. But this is where we're gonna be like what is that, 15 yards, 20 yards away?
I'm not gonna like this. Nice, bro. Huh?
I'll be right back. I'm gonna check on the puppies real quick.
Okay, I'm gonna watch him shoot the gun.
Okay. Lou. I'll be right back, Lou.
Okay.
I'll check on the puppies.
Check this out. Check this out, buddy. Look who's there. Look at this guy. Look at this guy.
Oh,
You see him?
Oh, jeez, bro. Why is he over there?
We got man, these kids are too fun. Look at him. Look at him. Look at this guy. All right, let's test this gun out right here.
I don't want to watch this.
Here we go. First shot coming out.
I don't want to see this.
Here we go.
Ah! Yeah, it's mine. Well, bro, it's a cat's. Wow, it's
All right, guys, let's go check out the damage.
Let's see.
Whoa. Dang. This thing keeps falling. You know what? I'm gonna try and put it up here instead. Oh, it's paint. Oh man, there's paint on it. Ugh. Sweet. Let's try it again. Practice shooting this gun right here.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Let's do it. Is that a bird that I need to shoot right now? Alright guys, here we go.
I don't want to
Problem
watch.
is with this, so close to the safe that I keep pressing the magazine around, the magazine release button. So something you want to be mindful of is that it's really close to the magazine release button, so you know it can get confusing. But let's go ahead and test this. Other than that, man, this thing shoots beautiful, man. It's beautiful. Try this again.
I don't want to watch.
Ready? Aim.
I don't want to watch.
5. Oh. Watch out.
Real? Oh, that's. Ow! 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 That almost shot me, bro. That shoot me. Oh! Keep on missing.
No, I'm meaning to. I'm meaning to miss.
You're making
Man,
yourself.
this thing is on target. As far as accuracy wise, man, everywhere I point and I'm trying to aim, I'm hitting it. Let me try to hit that wood one more time. KSI. That's good. Try to shoot the boogie board again. Watch out, Maylin. I want to shoot Laura. Nice. Okay. All right, guys, Lou Jr. Here we go. We get diligence getting ready. Okay, so you got that. You aim with this, right? Okay. You hold that. Good. Good. All right. Now, when you're ready, I'm going to release the safe and then fire. You can fire 2 shots. Are you ready? Shoot the rock. Okay, wait, stop. No bullets. Go. Oh, there we go. That's good. Slow down. That's 3 shots. 2 more. 1. Okay, that's good. Good job, son. All right, that was diligence. Rock now. Are you aiming at the rock? The rocks. Okay. Tell me when you're ready. You ready? Okay, go. Okay, wait, that's good. A little bit higher. Try aiming for that boogie board. Ready? Go. Oh, that's good. That's good. Okay, good job. All right, we got Queen Bee coming up next. Here we go. I'll have my wife try and shoot this. Maylin, go behind the trees. All right, guys. It's unsafe, so show everybody. On this side. Ooh. Nice. Yes. Nice. Now try to hit the big rock.
What big rock?
Right here.
What the heck? What was that?
The rock. Okay, now hit that wood right there. You see that plank right there?
I don't see it.
That plank wood is right there on the left.
Where it has yellow on it?
Yes.
Okay. I hit it.
One more time. Okay, good.
Oh, I did it.
Good job, mommy. Whoa! Oh, okay. Oh, point down.
Oh.
Put it on safe.
I don't know how to go this side, yeah?
All right.
Is it unsafe?
Yes, it's on safe. So anybody try to come in our house, anybody try to even look in our house, you guys gonna get a bunch of shells, not made out of paint, but out of metal. All right, guys. All right, mission accomplished. We'll come back and do some tactical runs next with the magazine. But let's switch the scenery up. What do you guys say? Whoa. All right.
Thank you.
Time to cool off for a bit, guys. All right. Got it, baby. Oh my gosh, look at this cutie. Oh, come and sit. Smile for the camera. Where you going? Look how cute. Look at this little puppy. Wow, look how cute. What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? Say what's up to everybody. Say hello.